Portions of Southeast Sparta Avenue and Allenford Drive threatened. Flood waters inundate recreational fields of Canton South High School. Additional details at 4:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday, the stage was 9.7 feet. Banksville stage is 6.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this morning to a crest of 10.1 feet this morning. It will then fall below flood stage late this morning. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Flood history. No available flood history. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. The current time is 7:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is NOAA Weather Radio WWG56 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available